your braids are going to create the way that the hair is going to flow. I found two pictures of the same person with the same hair and the same style. Let me know which ones that you think look better. So you see how one, we have the straight back pattern and it kind of just like fell. There's no cutting at either one of these points of these styles. And you see the other one, we actually had the part done and it both of the braids went the other way. It gave it more volume and a more round look. I really like that one way better, which is why I chose to show this braid pattern. But let me know what you think down in the comments. Do you like A or B? So these are great if you want more volume in that front area. You also want it to be where they are having that part, and on top of that, you have braids that are going straight down. You're going to see in those parts. Okay, so we want to create layers so that way as the crochet hair is laid, each layer and layer, they're covering and covering and covering where you see no parts in the back of their head. That's what you want for people that have thin hair, because nobody wants to see their scalp or for it to be noticeable that, you know, they have thin hair. You don't want that. So when you create a circle, you're creating rows going this way instead of going up and down. Also, make sure when you are putting in your crochets, if you have a crochet here, a crochet here, and a crochet here, on the next row, go in between each one of those as you are laying in your crochets. So that will make it where you don't see any braids, you don't see any parts, you don't see any skin. All you see is big, pretty crochets.